Hello guys, in this video we will talk about what is C#. So here you can see C# is an object-oriented programming language. That means C# follows almost all the rules of object-oriented programming language, and it is strongly typed. That means it is case sensitive. It is also open source. That means anyone can view the source code written for C#, and it is developed and launched by Microsoft, and it was launched in year 2000. And the first person who had designed it was the person is Anders Hagelsberg. Okay, it's the latest version of C# is currently it is 9.0, which was released in year 2020 with .NET Framework 5.0, and it was coming with Visual Studio 2019 version 16.8. And there are 6 characteristics of C#, and in which the first characteristic is modern and easy. That means it is one of the modern language and it is easy to learn. Second characteristics is fast and open source. That means the execution speed of C# is extremely fast, and it is also open source language, and it is supported on cross platform. That means C# can be written on any type of operating systems or platforms. Okay, it is completely safe. That means it is safe according to the concepts of memory. Okay, it is versatile as well as it is evolving with the new technologies or upcoming technologies. So here we will discuss in detail all the characteristics. So the first characteristics is modern and easy. So you can see here that modern as easy means it supports all kind of modern day software development features. That means the latest software development features are like application development for like personal computer as well as for Macintosh as well as for any mobile operating systems. It supports all latest features of any programming language like generics, variable types, that means anonymous types, lambda expressions, asynchronous programmings for managing the request and responses very well. Okay, and it also like having feature of tuples, pattern matching, advanced debugging, and well exception handlings, and there are many more features which is coming with C#. Okay, its syntax was influenced. That means the syntax was taken from the C++, Java, Pascal, which are really very easy to learn programming language. Okay, so that means C# is also easy to learn. And the second characteristic is it is fast and open source. So you can see here C# is completely open source, which comes under .NET Foundation. Okay, and it is governed. That means the C# language is managed and governed by Microsoft. That means there is a very huge name behind this. Okay, C# language specifications, compilers, and related tools are completely open source. Okay, and you can see, or anyone can see, the code on GitHub, and its open source community is always active. That means if you want to develop anything using C#, that means you will have a very huge amount of people who are going to suggest or going to help you during the software development. Okay, so now next characteristics is, or the third characteristics is cross-platform. So cross-platforms, that means earlier .NET was not cross-platform, but nowadays like .NET Core is completely cross-platforms. That means it can be executed, or the code can be written using C# on any operating system like Linux, Windows, Mac machines. And C# applications can also be deployed on cloud and containers, like similar like other languages like Node or Java. Okay, so here you can see now the next or the fourth characteristics is safe and efficient. That means C# is completely a type safe language. Okay, which allow conversions, like which does not allow conversion. Okay, like you know that conversion may lose the data, like we do some conversion from a big int to int. That means there is a loss of data. Okay, so it allows, but it does that thing very safely. Okay, there are some set of rules for that, and which we will discuss in the upcoming videos. Okay, it focuses on writing the efficient code. That means like C# language is having a like garbage collector, which always releases the memory for you. Okay, whenever you write, it means you need not to take care of your written code or the memory which you are using every time. Okay, almost all of the works or memory management related works can be done using the garbage collector of C#. Okay, and this language allows developers to write safe code. Okay, so the next point is or the fifth point is versatile. C# can be used to build today's modern language. That means versatile, that means it is completely easy to work with latest technologies. Okay, or it supports all the latest technologies or platforms. Okay, so in the versatile, the first point you can see it supports all today's software applications like Windows client apps, Windows library components, Windows services, or any web applications, any web services, and web API. As well as you can also create native Android app as well as iOS applications using C# language. Okay, so now next thing, you can also create any cloud related applications like Azure cloud services using C# language. C# language also allow you to create some tools for Microsoft Office as well as SharePoints, as well as for any tools which can be used in SQL Server. It can also be used like Internet of Things devices, like for sending some ping notifications over the hardware. Okay, it can also be help you to create artificial intelligence or machine language learning things, like anything related to the machine learning. Okay, and it can also be used in blockchain or as well as cryptocurrency transactions, as well as the mining of bitcoins or kind of any other coins mine. Okay, so you can also use this C# language for creating video games. Okay, or any giving console applications. So the next point is the last characteristics of C# is evolving. That means it is continuously evolving itself, or the developers or creators or the group who are managing the C# language is really active and really very active in improving the C# language to compete all the latest features, okay, which are provided by the other softwares, other language. So you can see here C# 9.0 is the latest version of C#, okay, which was launched in year 2020. It is evolving faster than any other language. Initially, C# was designed to support only Windows related applications, but nowadays it can be used to do anything. That means anything or any software applications which can be created nowadays using C#. Okay, so that's all guys in this tutorial. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.